Intro.
Guitar. Nailed it. I need a screwdriver. This is my guitar, a cheap Epiphone Les Paul Special I bought at a local guitar center. I'm a complete novice at guitar, but this one has been fun to play and it has good sound. The only thing I really do not like about it is the drab gray color of the body, so I decided to customize it a little bit. Let's really raise that action up on this thing.
Yeah.
So if I bought a really nice guitar, I would never feel comfortable doing this.
Nope.
Oh, I could have just slid the thing out. Well, live and learn. In terms of like wiring, guitars are pretty simple. After removing the neck and bridge, I turned my attention to removing the pickups and desoldering the pots and input jack of the guitar. Sometimes you have to add some new warm hot solder to melt the rest of the solder. Alright, so now there's not a lot on here, huh?
Wow, that was quick.
Yeah.
Is it safe to breathe?
Yeah, it should be fine. It's just paint. Do you want a mask? I have masks.
Yeah, just to be safe.
It has might have a nice color to it.
Like just by itself?
No, I'm gonna, well, yeah, we can look at what it is. I probably gonna want to finish it more. I don't get why they were hiding this wood underneath it.
That's really nice.
Yeah, like it looks a lot better than the faded, worn gray that this thing is. That's kind of cool looking. I decided to keep the worn gray color on the edge of the guitar and on the back of the neck. I think it adds a nice contrast, and removing it would have left the guitar with a monotone look from all of the basswood. I sanded away all of the paint on the front and back of the guitar body and cleaned it up with some mineral spirits. I cleaned up the frets with some steel wool and conditioned the fretboard with some walrus oil. Pretty sure this wood grain's just painted on here. Like, I think it's just stained.
And we're just here for the aesthetics.
Yeah, I mean, neither of us are that good at it.
Exactly.
You infinitely better than I am. So.
But even then, it's an infinite of like 1. So it's like, you know, slow down. Like, don't.
If we measure infinite as everything between 0 and 1, yes, I'm better.
Yeah. Because there is technically an infinite number of numbers in between 0 and 1. Yes.
Oh, that looks nice. We really should have taken some before B-roll of this thing.
Didn't know this was going to turn into like a full production, so.
We also didn't know it was going to end up looking good.
Yeah, that's the other thing.
That was like, the big thing that we were rolling the dice on.
Like, oh shit, this is great.
We were half expecting the body to be made out of MDF.
Yep.
And that we were just going to paint it a
I thought we were
color.
going to find like some cardboard in there.
Yeah.
Oh, goopy goodness.
Yeah, this is made out of bug excrement.
The forbidden coffee.
I finished the guitar body with a couple of coats of clear shellac.
Yeah, efficiency.
I mean, between us, there's like 4 degrees.
From a school that no longer exists.
Yeah, but look at us now.
Look at us now! Ooh.
Yeah.
That's smooth. That's nice.
Huh, Bailey? We save everything.
But
like it's supposed to be like a Les Paul. I think a couple of sets of humbuckers are what you. Yeah, here it is.
Oh, perfect.
I'll put it in when
I'll just say
Flip
put it in the
over.
thing.
Assembly was very straightforward. I resoldered the pickups and reinstalled the neck and bridge. All that was left was restraining the guitar and tuning everything.
Hey, there you go. That's what I'm talking about.
I really like it.
It's nice.